Revelation 2:17. He who has an ear, let him hear what the Spirit says to the churches. To him who overcomes, I will give some of the hidden manna to eat, and I will give him a white stone, and on the stone a new name, written which no one knows except him who receives it.
So that verse has been inspirational to me and reflects a lot going on in my life since the divorce, as God has completely changed my life and made many things new, including, I do feel in some ways, a new name. But in this story, there's another part of the verse that's very relevant, where the only one who knows the name is the one who receives it. And in this case, with the Whitestone Cattle Company, the only one who knows where the cattle are the cattle. So we put them out in this quarter, 160 acres, June 24th, and this footage was taken August 8th. So June 24th, we opened some gates to let them into that quarter, went out a few days later and confirmed there were animals in there. There's supposed to be 109 head total. We had to go out July 10th, so 2 weeks kind of after putting them in there, to do a little bit of a roundup, try to move the rest of the animals from an 80-acre paddock into that quarter. And we went ahead and left them in there. July 25th, we tried to pull them out. So we estimated we got 65 head moved out of there. But this is now August 8th, and we're still trying to get the cattle out of there. So, with 65-ish head taken out, we're looking at another 40 animals that are basically unaccounted for. So now with the drone up and having a good look, you can't find any cattle anywhere. These, if you pause the video and if you were to count, there's 58 head in this shot, and these are moved out of that quarter into another paddock of 80 acres. So they're where they're supposed to be. They would be out of those 65 animals that we knew we had moved. So yeah, I don't know where they are. There's just lots of footage, lots of beautiful bird's eye views, and nary a head or tail to be found.